Hello guys, this is Mike here at Mac Observer, and today I'll show you how to easily fix Apple Wallet verification and adding card issues. In our digital age, the increasing prominence of cashless transactions is undeniable. One of the torchbearers of this movement, the Apple Wallet app, has emerged as a beacon of secure and convenient financial management on smartphones. However, as seamless as the experience might be, some users occasionally run into a roadblock. They find themselves unable to add a card to their Apple Wallet, as they are constantly asked to verify the card even after it is verified. This video will delve into the reasons why Apple Wallet won't verify your card, along with solutions to get you back on track. Follow along. How do I verify my card on Apple Wallet? In order to verify your card on Apple Wallet, make sure you're in a region that supports Apple Pay, and that your bank also supports Apple Pay. If the problem persists, it might be worth signing out and back into your Apple ID. Remember, you will need a passcode to use the Wallet app. In the Wallet application, tap on the Add button to initiate the process. Choose debit or credit card for adding a fresh card, or select previous cards to reintroduce a card used in the past. Click Continue to proceed, then follow the on-screen instructions for the addition of a new card. Check your details with your bank or card provider, then add any additional information that may be needed. However, if Add to Apple Wallet is not working as it should, follow the steps below in order to find the reason behind it and fix the issue. Why won't Apple Wallet verify my card? If your Apple Wallet refuses to verify your card, your first point of call should be the card issuer. The card may have restrictions, unknown to you, that prevent its digital use. So, give your bank or credit card company a ring. There could also be instances where Apple Pay services are temporarily unavailable. If you encounter such a message, signing out and back into your Apple ID could remedy the situation. How do I get my card verified for Apple Pay? There is a simple, frequently effective solution that you can adopt in order to end the verification loop. Signing out of your Apple ID and then signing back in. You can do this by going to Settings, then tapping on your name and selecting Sign Out. Next, click Sign In and enter your credentials. Afterward, add your card to Apple Wallet and check whether the verification process succeeds. This procedure is quite straightforward. It's essentially a method of refreshing your system's association with Apple's services, acting as a reset for any minor glitches or inconsistencies that might have momentarily caused a disruption in service. How long does it take to verify a card on Apple Wallet? The verification process for a card on Apple Wallet varies depending on several factors. Sometimes it can be immediate, but in other cases, it may take a few minutes or even a few hours. Be patient during this process, and if problems persist, reach out to Apple support for further assistance. How do I verify my card on Apple Pay without calling? You might not always be in a situation to make a call. Rest assured, there are ways to verify your card on Apple Pay without making a call. If you're experiencing difficulties, try signing out of your Apple ID and then back in again. Additionally, rechecking your Apple ID region and your device's region can also help. Adding a card to your Apple Wallet should typically be a smooth process, but when you can't verify your card for Apple Pay, don't despair, as there are numerous troubleshooting steps that can rectify the problem. Always ensure your device's region settings, Apple ID region, and bank support for Apple Pay align. Signing in and out of your Apple ID also often resolves many issues. If all else fails, Apple support will always be there to assist you. That's it for today, guys. That's how to easily fix Apple Wallet verification and adding card issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe at our channel. This is Mike here at Mac Observer. See you next time.